Good morning, students. This is the early civilization. Third part, source to know about Aryans. The Vedic literature is major source to know about the Aryans. The Vedic literature is major source to know about the Aryans. The sources are literary sources and archaeological sources. Literary sources, archaeological sources. In literary sources, there are Vedas and epics. Vedas and epics. In these archaeological sources, iron and pottery. In Vedic Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Adharna Veda. Epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata are the epics. Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Adharna Veda, and casteism also there in Brahmins, Aryaks, Upanishads. All these casteism they are also, and they used iron and pottery in those times. In Vedic literature, the term Veda means super knowledge in Sanskrit. The term Veda means superior knowledge in Sanskrit. It is knowledge of knowing oneself or self-realization. Vedas are called Shrutis. They are their universal truths, discovered or realized by the learned people. They formed the bedrock of Indian philosophy and yoga. The Veda texts contain deeper spiritual and scientific knowledge. The Vedic traditions are still continued and are still unbroken. In the modern period, Swami Dayananda Saraswati gave a call, "Go back to Vedas." Research on Vedas is carried out many foreign and Indian universities. 4 major Vedas consist the Vedic literature. They are Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda and Adharna Veda. In Rig Veda is collected of Vedic humans composed by rishis. Yajurveda is details of rules to be followed during sacrifices. Samaveda is a collection of songs, the origins of Indian music and track to it. Adharna Veda is a collection of spells and charms. Beside the Vedas, there are Brahmins, Upanishads, Aryaks and epics, Ramayana and Mahabharata. Brahmins process about Vedic hymns, rituals and philosophers. Aryans deal with mysticism, rites and rituals. Upanishads, philosophical texts dealing with the soul, mysterious of nature. These are the Vedic literatures. The Vedic period divided into main 2 parts. Classification of Vedic period. The period of Vedic civilization is divided into two broad parts: early Vedic period, later Vedic period. Early Vedic period and later Vedic period. Early Vedic period, also known as Rig Veda period. Early Vedic period is known as Rig Veda period. Later Vedic period, we will still the following features of Vedic civilization under these 2 periods. Early Vedic period, their social life, position of women, dresses, amusements, education, we see in this topic, food and crops. In early Vedic period, social life, the family is the basic unit of society. In the early Vedic period, the family is basic until unit on society. The father was the head of the family. Joint family system was in practices. The prisoners of war called dasyas were like slaves. Position of women. Women held respectable position those days. There were no child marriages or satis. The widow remarriages also practices in those times. And dresses. They wear vasa. Vasa means dhovati. Next, upper cloth. Adivasa are also weared today. Anklet as we do today. Amusements, chariots, racings, hunting, boxing, dancing and music, some of the amusements on those days. Three types of musical instruments like precious stringing and wind were used by the singers. Education, great importance was given to the education. In those days there were gurukulas also there. Entire institution was give freedom in their technical teaching learning process. They were taught of art, of warfare, philosophy, agriculture, animal husbandry and handicrafts and food items, food and crops, rice, barley, berries, seasons, bread, cake, milk, butter, curd, fruits also used in those times. Religions also there. Agni, Varna, Yama, Vayu. Agni, Varna, Yama, Vayu. All these are the goddesses of those days. This is early Vedic period. Later Vedic period. At the time of past Vedic period, we have migrated into the plains of Ganga and Yamuna river areas. From plains of rivers Sindhu and Saraswati, they crossed mountain ranges and Vindhya and moved towards south. Then after later Vedic period, there are so many changes, political changes, social changes, religious life, epics. These are the changes in those time. During later Vedic period, the king became more powerful. Even Sabha and Samitis lost their importance. Social changes. The ashrama system started. The ashrama system of Brahmacharya, Grihastri, Varnaprastha, Sannyasa. These are the ashrama systems during this period. Religious ceremonies became the complex and complicated. The yagnas and yagas performed frequently. All they prayed Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Ganesh. Goddesses Lakshmi, Saraswati, Parvati and other gods. Epics. Ramayana and Mahabharata are two great epics in those times. Ramayana was written by Valmiki in Sanskrit. Mahabharata was written by in Sanskrit by Seji Vedavasa. Mahabharata is a victory of dharma over adharma. These are the later Vedic period changes.